Talk about what part?
About how you found
Turnfit?
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Hi, I'm Lynn.
I'm Jimmy.
And we picked Turnfit because I wanted to be active since the past 2 years. I haven't been doing anything. And I asked him to sign up with me.
Yeah, so we've been doing a couple sessions now for, I think this will be our 17th, 18th week. I've been working out with Kevin, having a great time, seeing great results, feel great, and we're here 3 times a week in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning.
They're awesome.
All right, so there's so many trainers out there. What made you choose Turnfit?
Location and looking at David's past, and it's just very motivational.
Yes, your
I
story
think.
was very
Yeah.
motivational. In fact, your story is the reason why I also joined too. Otherwise, it would have just been Lynn. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So how do you find it, like, together coming as a couple?
I love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
We hold each other accountable.
Yeah.
There are definitely days where neither of us wants to get out of bed, but because neither of us wants to let the other person down, then we'll get up and go.
Awesome.
Yes.
And then, was there a second choice out there when you were researching? And who was it? Do you remember?
The second, I'm not gonna name.
You don't have to name.
I didn't decide to go with them because there wasn't really that connection. And at first, I was gonna go do it myself. And just first meeting with them, there wasn't that spark. There
Well,
wasn't.
that's a good point. So
Yeah.
what did you take away from the first meeting with us? 'Cause,
I think it's the atmosphere, and just the vibe that I get from you when you're interviewing us, and then it was good. It was good.
a good fit.
It was
Yes,
a good fit. That's
it was
right.
a great
And I'm a good matchmaker with your personality.
Yeah.